Hello, so today I'm gonna show you the internal components of an optical mouse. So let's go. As you can see, this is the inner view of a mouse, optical mouse. Now I'll explain all its components. So here this is the left button, this is the right button. This is the scroll bar. The button connected to it's the middle button which clicking on the scroll bar like this. This wire connects the mouse to the computer. This is the chip which converts back and forth movements of the mouse into digital signals which computer can understand. This glass part is the lens, and this is the LED which you see on the bottom of your mouse, red color, that one. Yes. Now these are the resistors. These are some resistors in the circuit.